Hi all, today I would like to share a very easy yet very tasty Bombay chutney recipe. Let's get into the ingredients. 3 tablespoons besan or senagpindi, half onion cut into slices, 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, a small piece of ginger and 2 to 3 green chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, salt to your taste, 1 teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon turmeric. Add 2 cups of water to basin, whisk it and make a lump-free mixture. This way you can avoid lumps while cooking. Let's start the process. Take a pot, put some oil in it. When the oil is hot, add your temperings. Let them splutter. Now add green chilies and ginger and let them fry for a little bit. Add your onion slices and curry leaves. Add some salt to speed up the process of cooking onion. Add turmeric. When the onions are soft, add your tomatoes. Let them cook till they become soft and mushy. Now add your besan mixture. Mix well and add some water if needed. Adjust your salt. Cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. This is the perfect consistency we need. Let's make a dosa. Dosa with hot Bombay chutney. It's yummy. I hope you enjoyed the video.